So it's the first day of camping, and by day I mean sun is setting. Got here a little later than I thought. I pulled over at Mayberry, where Mayberry RFD, like the Andy Griffith show, was filmed. Mayberry, North Carolina. It exists. They have his name all over the place. Zeus is finally, that's Zeus, my black lab who's 12, finally kind of chilling out. He doesn't quite get it. He's never been camping. Apollo, he just wants fed and drank the entire bucket of water that I put down, which now is fine because I don't let him drink the whole bucket of water when we're in the car. We're about to get fed. I've got cold beers. I've got my left-handed Washburn guitar. Sit here, campfire. Got some food. Bunch of food. Actually, the car is packed with food. I went to Dollar General in Wilmington and picked up, I don't know, quite a bit of food. And I went to Harbor Freight and picked up, axes and clamps and just, you always need Gorilla Tape because that shit's the bomb. And, just stretch cord stuff. I picked up this nice little, it's a small 7-watt solar kit. It's got the USB adapter to it, and you can, charge all kinds of stuff. If my lens seems a little dirty, it's not. I dropped the phone about 20 minutes ago. I've got another protector and everything on it. But anyway, I bought myself a big old knife. And I bought a screwdriver set because I've needed some screwdrivers lately, and I have 0 when I used to have about 150 screwdrivers. I'm not even lying. So built my fire. I got this tray just because I was using it for cleaning and washing things. And now it's a convenient tray to take all my stuff, like my razor knife, and just all these little odds and ends, and have it nice in a convenient tray. So this place is absolutely amazing. I'm gonna start you up here. I've got all my personal items out of the car. And I say car, this is my new to me 2018 Honda CRV all-wheel drive touring package, and the 1.5 liter 4-cylinder turbo intercooler. This car in S mode, which keeps you in VTEC all the time, is super nice for travel. Whoops, thought I had the keys on me. Anyway, got everything covered up. It's not going to rain. There is a hill coming down here. Yeah, sorry about this smudgy area where I hope it's just the protection clap. But anyway, I made it look like a big taco and folded it over. So if the rain does come down, if it does rain, it's going to just roll right off, and I have it secured with the bungee. But look at this place. I mean, this is all mine. This is all my campsite. Place for a tent or whatever you want to put up there for $24. I got a $6 discount because I'm 62 and I qualify for Social Security. So I'm retired. I'm just an old man in retirement, camping with his dogs. He's got nowhere to live because his house burnt down. But yeah, this is super, super nice. I'll give you some, more up close, but there's just like little fir trees planted everywhere, and they've got wood thrown around that they did, and there's a bunch of logs you could sit around. You got to keep the fire in the fire area. You can't just go willy-nilly. It's all dried leaves and stuff anyway. This is, I'm not sure what kind of trees these are. Probably some sort of, I don't know, sassafras. That looks like locust trees to me. I'm not really familiar with my mountainous. I'm 1,300 feet above sea level, and I am, oh shoot, I think it's in the car. But it's, let's see if I've got anything down here. I'll go ahead and grab the keys. So I pulled off at Mayberry, and I was like, Mayberry, really? And they've got, Mayberry Drive and Mayberry Lane, and Museum of Mayberry RFD. Let's see here. I've just got a lot of stuff stuffed. Whoops, sorry, I still had you in the big mode there. So I pulled my seat forward. I had stuff under my seat, put it all out. And, just everything I had packed to the ceiling in here. I had the vents all up. And anyway, yeah, this vehicle is astounding. Somebody initially gave me a cashier's check for 16 grand. And I bought a Civic when I thought I was not capable of being a fur father. However, I'm actually more than capable. I just didn't believe in myself for a while. When I couldn't remember my own phone number, it got hard to think that, as I'm couch surfing, and I had 4 different cars in 23 days, 2 borrowed, 2 bought. And I traded the Civic in on this, and I decided, because a friend of mine named J-Lo fucking slapped me upside the face and said, you can do better, you can do more. And I'm like, I contacted 300,000 people, my algorithm says, with all my fundraising attachments. And I just didn't think I could have an animal. I mean, I couldn't take care of myself. For God's sakes, day after the fire, I stood at the door and the lock was set to the last 4 digits of my phone number that I've had since 1996. And I couldn't do it. I had to pull a business card out. It's 742 PUMP, P-U-M-P, which is 7867 back. If you're old enough to remember, you had to hit a button 3 times to get a O. You had to hit M once, twice, and 3 times for O. Tell me that wasn't a lot of fun. But anyway, I picked up everything at the thrift store in Largo near my hometown, and I spent 23 years in Largo. I spent 32 total, and I lived in Seminole, and then I ended up in Bel Air Bluffs. But the church runs the thrift store, and they couldn't have been any nicer to me, and they took a pretty significant cut off. And what I'm saying is, a lot of people believed in me and, really stepped up. All the help I had in so many ways from so many people was amazing. I also used Griot's Garage 3-in-1 ceramic spray wax just on the hood of this car. And although it needs polished, and it's getting dark out, man, that shine looks even better through the camera than it does in person. But I did the entire front. I did the side mirrors, the whole front here, all the way up and down, because the love bugs are intense. So they should, in theory, wipe right off easy. Just like the Griot's Garage ceramic glass sealant. New product just came out to replace their old glass sealant, which I did a video on my YouTube deluxe vehicle detailing and paint correction channel. And anyway, that stuff's amazing. And then they came out with the even better product. That's a 1-year product. Super easy, wipe it on, let it haze for 10 minutes, add another coat over it, let it haze for 10 minutes, and buff it off. It came off like butter, and it was perfect. So anyway, I'm really loving this vehicle. I'm loving this campsite. Oh yeah, we were gonna look on what the name of this place is. I don't know what I did with my brochures. I had them there somewhere. Anyway, it's called Point something. I'm still not all better. Here we go. Yeah, here we go. Pilot Mountain State Park mountain section. This thing is absolutely amazing. I'm going to make a picture post, and I actually took a picture of the brochure, and I'm going to do a little editing on that just to make it fit right and stuff before I post that. But anyway, I am tired. It's been a long day. I kind of quit a little early. I did 400 miles each day. I got to Jacksonville and spent a couple days there. I could see myself in Jacksonville. Oh, there's lightning bugs. Cool. And then I spent a night in Wilmington, and I was very unimpressed and underwhelmed with life in Wilmington. And well, let's see if you can see some of. Let me zoom you in over here. See if we can see some lightning bugs. They were up. There was one right in the middle of the screen. Anyway, there's a bunch of them over there. You just have to trust me on that. But yeah, lightning bugs, something I haven't seen since last year when I was in Ohio, and that's where I'm headed. Anyway, I'm gonna wrap this up here. We're on 11 minutes, 15 seconds. So I'm about to feed the boys here, give them their food, just wet it all down, and we're gonna camp and sleep next to each other in the back of the CRV. I would think that Apollo won't eat. He's too freaked out about we're in the middle of the woods, but it's a huge mountain. I'm not even sure. I think it's that direction, but we're only like part way up. It's this way to go to my picture section on Facebook. I'll post pictures, and it's really cool. And for $24 a night instead of the $100 I spent for like an absolute shithole fucking place in Wilmington that had cockroaches all over the place. Are you happy, Apollo? Apollo will eat during a hurricane and a tornado and a lightning storm. Zeus, on the other hand, he's scared of everything. But we're having fun. Thanks for checking it out, and thanks for being with me. Man, there's a lot of lightning bugs. I'm just catching them all over the place. So anyway, I will see you. If you're in Medina, I kind of need help with my dogs. My sister already has a dog, and they have, limited space, and it's their house, and I can't take the dogs to my sister's. I don't think kind of at all. And so I'm asking right now, first time. I need somebody, at least just temporarily. I'll probably come into town Friday, the day before 4th of July. I just don't want to get caught in all that traffic. Think about going to Mohican from here, kind of nostalgia reasons. But anyway, I am going to need to take these dogs temporarily and just keep a roof over their head to make sure they're fed, like I did when someone picked them up and had them for 35 days right after the fire. So anyway, if you or you know anybody, or you can hook me up or help me out, I'm once again needing help because I'm homeless and have nothing, well, except my heart. And now I have most of my brain left. It's questionable at best. Anyway, peace out. I will maybe if you're in Ohio, in Medina area, or even if you're in Cleveland, Akron, Canton, still got a lot of peeps around. So look me up, hit me with a comment, just tell me life's good, and hopefully I'll see you. I'm going to be around a minimum of a couple few weeks and a maximum of a couple few years. It's yet to be determined. Okay, thanks. We'll see you on the flip side.